Welcome to the Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. This part of the website allows you to write and execute computer programs on the target embedded system. In this case, we have loaded the IDE for the TableSat satellite simulator. In this short tutorial, we will cover how to load, create, and save files. In addition, we will cover compiling, uploading, and remotely executing these files on the target system. Note that the screen is divided into several components. The command buttons, the tutorial programs, user programs, the IDE text editor, the output window, the uploading and execution window, the sensor monitor, and finally the video monitor. Before we get started, let's take a look at the command buttons from left to right. The Save button saves the current state of a user program to disk. Note that the tutorial files cannot be saved. When a tutorial file is selected, the Save button will be grayed out. The next button compiles a program into binary code. Output of this compilation will show up in the output window at the bottom of the screen. If a program has been successfully compiled, you will see success in the current server time. If the program does not compile successfully, the output window will contain the compiler error messages. The third button uploads a compiled program to the target system. This may take around 15 seconds, so please be patient. Wait for the message, the command was complete, before pressing another button. The fourth button executes your program on the target system. It may take around 15 seconds for the program to start, so please be patient. The output of printf statements will show up in this window. Alright, now let's take a look at loading some of the tutorial files. In this window, there are three examples. A simple Hello World program. This prints Hello World out to the console. A program that reads a single sensor value and outputs it to the screen. Finally, a program that turns on a fan, waits for 5 seconds, and then turns off that fan. Let's walk through the use of the command buttons with the program that reads a sensor value. First, we have to compile the program. Note that the program was successfully compiled from the message displayed in the output window at the bottom of the IDE. Now that we have compiled the program, we need to upload it to the server. Let's do that now. Remember, it takes a little while for the program to complete. You will need to wait for a message that indicates that the command was completed. Now that your program has been compiled and transferred to the embedded system, it's time to execute the program. Let's click the Execute button to proceed. Note that it will take several seconds for the program to begin executing. Note that this program reads from I/O channel number 12. This is the magnetometer x-axis sensor value. Now that we've gone through running somebody else's program, let's write one of our own. First, we need to add a new program. To do this, enter the program name into the box provided and press the plus button. Note that the program shows up in the project list area below. Click on the new program to view it in the text editor. Let's write a program that turns on a fan. We have provided an application programming interface, or API, that allows users to read sensors, as we've already seen, or set fans. Let's write some code in the text editor in the middle of the screen. Note that when you create a new program, a skeleton is provided for you. Turning on or off a fan is easy to do. The set fan command takes two parameters. The first is the fan target and must be either 0 or 1. This corresponds to the first or second fan attached to table set. The second parameter is speed in the range from 0 to 100%. Let's compile and upload the program. Now let's execute the program. Notice how the fan started spinning in the video monitor. Please feel free to look at the tutorial programs and to create your own. It is our goal that you experiment, learn, and have fun. Thank you for viewing this video tutorial.